Picture this. A late-night lab meeting turns into a confessional. A brilliant postdoc leans in and whispers about a strange aftershock after orgasm, a deep, insistent ache inside the rectum, and a body that keeps wanting more, like a thirst that won't be sated. I sat there, notebooks and hypotheses colliding, and thought, there is science, myth, and a little witchcraft in this puzzle. Physiology first, quick and clear. Orgasm is a cascade of nerve, pelvic floor contractions, autonomic surges, and hormonal fireworks. The anal canal and pelvic floor share wiring with genital tissue, so intense contractions can leave a lingering sensation. Sometimes interpreted as ache or crepe. Nipples, they are surprising ally. Nipple stimulation lights up strange parts of the brain, for some people even the vagus nerve pathways, and can extend arousal in a way that bypasses classic refractory pathways. That's real neuroscience, not just bedroom lore. Now, the fun part, a playful, safe experiment you can try in the lab of your own body. Don't think of this as a how-to. I think of it as a sensory protocol. For mapping response, start by charting. After orgasm, where is the ache? Sharp, dull, deep surface. Time it, breathe. Note how breath speeds or calms the after sensation. Try a non-invasive sensory swap. Cool cloth to the chest. Gentle fingertip tracing across the sternum. Slow focus attention on the nipple. See if that shifts the pelvic buzz. Record everything. The scientific method is sexy. Let me tell you a little urban legend we whisper at conferences at a lunar ritual called the Siren's pause. It's nonsense and it's useful. At the full moon, the story goes, you time a breath cycle to the ocean's pull. Hold attention at the nipples for 3 slow exhalations, then release into silence.
People report residual tingles.
Creative urges, and sometimes that ache reconfigures into curiosity instead of pain. Try it as mindfulness, not magic. No one gets hurt, and you gain data. If the ache is persistent or painful, treat it like the researcher you are. Consult a pelvic health specialist. Pelvic floor tension, and even neuropathic signals can be treated with biofeedback. Physio or targeted therapy. Don't ignore red flags. For the adventurous scholar, combine safe sensory exploration, careful journaling, breath work, and communication if partnered. Use ethical curiosity, set boundaries, obtain consent, and favor gentle. Keep notes like an ethnographer of your own sensation. Times, triggers, intensity, interventions, outcomes. Turn myth into hypothesis, and hypotheses into studies. If you want, share anonymized data with a fellow researcher. Together, you may demystify that strange post-orgasm hunger and discover how nipples and pelvic wiring dance together in surprising ways.